Absolutely, Sava. They get another 30-35 runs in these last 3 overs. They'll be a happy bunch of team. And that means they'll touch up to 170 and above, which will be definitely a match-winning score. This is what happened in the previous over. And he was very well caught. Mind you, those catches are really tough to have. They look simple, but I can vouch they're tough ones. There you go, a quick single being taken.
Now this is where the Bulldozers had to be very smart, deny those singles to the new man Ramanna. Sunil Shetty, the captain of Mumbai Heroes, he's here to support CCL season 2. This is the final game, and the team owners and the captains of all the sides have been invited to witness this final game. Goes inside, gets inside the line, get a single only. They need boundaries and over boundaries here, the Rhinos. Bhaskar, most economical bowler for the Bulldozers, into his 4th over, has hardly given anything away so far. The slowness of his delivery that has posed some problems for the players.
Tries to go over the top, but manages just a single straight to long on to Rajiv. They're heading up to a very decent, sizable score here. A partnership between Vikrant. Prithvi was so crucial. Put on more than 90 runs. Full toss. But there's a fielder out there and he messes it up. It was straight to him, and in the bargain Chennai Rhinos get another 4 runs.
It's taken on the field full by Vikrant. Powerful shot, one bounce. There was a fielder stationed there. He wasn't to collect that one properly. Sunil Shetty, it seems, is supporting the Bulldozers, sitting in their dugout. Vikrant moves on to 89. Again on the full. It doesn't connect it well this time. So after 18, it's 146 for 3.
Single finished over, 146 for 3. 18 overs up in the first innings of the finals. Last overs coming up for Chennai Rhinos. 146 is the score. Vikrant batting on 19.